Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your computer or laptop. So first of all, we need to bootable our pen drive, and then we need a software to bootable our pen drive. So I'm downloading Rufus, and I'm downloading the latest versions of Rufus. So it's completed. Now I'm opening it. Now I need to select the ISO file that I already downloaded from Microsoft website. Software, operating system, Windows 11. So here is the one things you remember. If your laptop already installed home single language or something like that, then if you want to install Windows 11 Pro, then you so then you need to this file. Here is the code is channel default volume 0. So after make bootable your pen drive, you need to copy this file into your source folder. Then when you install your Windows, and when you want to select any version like Windows 11 Pro, Home, or any other versions, but if you cannot by default in laptop, by default it take the home single language. So partition schemes, MBR or GPT, how you will check it? So open CMD at administrator. Okay, so you need to check this from here, disk part, then list disk. Here if you enable, if you are in a GPT is supported of if your laptop or computer supports GPT, then GPT format hard drive, then you will see the star mark on GPT column. Okay, so exit. Now select the ISO Windows 11 and GPT, all its okay. Now start. So in latest Rufus software has some extra features. If you want to remove TPM 2.0, then you just tick here. If you have not if you don't have any Microsoft account, or if you want to not install with your signing your Microsoft signing your Windows 11 or 10 using your Microsoft account, then you just tick here. So I don't need any of features in from this list, so I all the untick, then okay. So owning all data on device no label, that means after my flash drive will be destroyed, so it's okay. Now it's formatting first, then copy Windows files to pen drive or flash drive. It needs a few more times, so I pause the video. When it will complete, then I will back. So it's now complete. Now I close it and I just copy this file and sources, just paste it here. That's all. Now I need to restart my PC, and before restart your PC or laptop, you need to check bootable key, like boot key of Lenovo. So for my laptop, the boot key is F12 or function key plus F12. F12 or function key plus F12. So you need to check that. If you don't know, then just restart your PC or laptop, and we need to okay, so it's now press the boot key. I am pressing it. But it's not working. So I need to again. Okay, so boot menu is open. Now I need to select Windows Boot Manager. First one is my NVMe that installed as a hard drive on my PC, and second one is USB flash drive or pen drive. So I select flash drive and press enter. So language as default United Kingdom. Time and currency I select United States, and keyboard US. So install. Here you can see all the versions of Windows 11. So I am selecting Windows 11 Pro. Next, accept, next. You can upgrade through it, but I need to install fresh. So I select customize, and this is my C drive, NVMe, and this is my C drive. So I delete all these partitions. Then unallocated service. So I already it's deleted. Then this one, then this one, then this one. So this is my NVMe that I already formatted fully. Now I need to press new and apply. So I select this one and I want to install it here. So next. now I am selecting the country or region, United States. You can select your region, that's not a problem. And I'm selecting the keyboard format, also the US. So I'm used to with US keyboard layout, so that's why I'm selecting this. Then yes, no, skip. Then I need to connect, so I'll pause this video to connect with my Wi-Fi. So it's connected with my Wi-Fi. If you haven't, then you can skip these options, but better to if you connect this, then if you connect with the Wi-Fi, then your laptop recorded drive, graphics, sound, etc. all will be installed from the internet, and your computer will be completely ready to work. Checking the updates, so I pause this video. It's recorded many times. So in these options I need to give a name of my device, so I put it here as my laptop name. You can give any of name as you wish. Then next. So how would you like to set up this device? Set up personal use. Next, unlock your Microsoft experience. So I want to sign in with my Microsoft account. So I am pause this video. After signing, I found these options. So I am selecting next. Then set a pin. You can set only number or number and letter and symbols. Okay. Then which option you want to keep open, you can select it here. I am disabling the locations, find my device, diagnostic data. If you enable this device, then your personal some information anonymously sent to the Microsoft server. So I also disable these options. Linking typing, okay. Tailored experience, diagnostic data, advertising ID, disable, accept. I don't need any of this from the list, so I will install manually what I will need. So use your phone from your PC. No, I don't. So skip these options. I don't want to use this, so decline. Declined. Skip for now. If you want, then you can pay for it. So it needs a few minutes to ready for you. So I'm pause this video. After complete, I will be back. So it's installation fully complete.